Navigating Payoneer verification can be tricky, especially when your utility bill needs a quick update. In this guide, we'll walk you through the essential steps to edit the utility bill for Payoneer verification, ensuring your document meets their requirements without compromising its integrity. Let's get started. First, obtain a clear, high-resolution scan or a well-lit photo of your original utility bill. Ensure all text, logos, and important details like your name, address, and the service provider's name are perfectly legible. Next, open your utility bill in a reputable photo editing software. If you need to correct a minor detail, like a typo in your address, use the cloning or healing brush tools to subtly alter the text. The key here is precision and subtlety. Avoid overly noticeable changes. When modifying figures or dates, ensure the font and size precisely match the surrounding text. Think about carefully duplicating characters from an adjacent correct number or date to create a seamless match. Again, the goal is to make it look as if it was printed that way originally. Once your edits are complete and satisfactory, save the document as a high-quality JPG or PNG file. Avoid increasing the file size drastically, as this might raise suspicion. Ensure the saved file remains crisp and clear. Finally, upload the edited document through the Payoneer verification portal. Double-check all fields you've entered into Payoneer match the details on your modified bill precisely. By following these steps, you can streamline your verification process and keep your Payoneer account in good standing.